It doesn't require explicit decision-making, weighing of possibilities. It just has to run. So it's evolutionarily effective that it be dissociated from the ego and does not require explicit decision-making and ego intervention to do what it does. It would be like if breathing were not automatic and we would always need to remind ourselves to breathe. Imagine how precarious that situation would be. I mean, there are animals that do not breathe automatically, like dolphins, cetaceans. They need to have explicit egoic control of their breathing. But why? Well, because they are underwater. If they would breathe automatically underwater, that would be a problem. But for us, such is not the case. So I think everything in the human body is an appearance of mental processes. I think every living being that metabolizes is the appearance of a sort of private conscious in their life. Even amoeba, even paramecium, even single-celled organisms. It is a fundamentally different paradigm than what we have been mostly used to since the Enlightenment. What we have done so far is to think of everything as a mechanism and impose our will on these mechanisms down to the last subatomic particle. That's not going to work. What Michael is describing as a process of communication is very different. It is a kind of collaboration, a cooperation with nature, where you help nature see where it wants to go. And it will do everything by itself. We don't need to 3D print it. It's going to do it. If we just engage in a constructive collaboration, an artistic collaboration with nature, wherein both our will and nature's will collaborates towards a common goal. This is a completely different paradigm of thinking than what we are used to. And all I can hope for is that there will be many, many more Michael Levins around not too long from now, because that's the only way to progress. It's this kind of thinking, this kind of perspective that will lead us to the cure of cancer and many other things.
Yeah. Well, and I want to say that that general idea, while it's completely new in the sort of the scientific realm, and most people actually don't the molecular biologists and so on don't like that at all. That general idea has been around for a long time in what you might call, let's say, the alternative health community, right?